Hey guys, so today we're going to heat press, work on some stuff for the shop. I have the machine heating up right now, but also I'm really excited because now that I have my heat press up and running, I can finally test out these Rhinestone heat transfers that I purchased from this company. They also included the settings. So yeah, let's test it out. I'm thinking that I want to do this with the pink sweater. I think that'll be cute. I think pink should be good. But probably white, but I just don't like white sweaters. Anyways, okay, let's go on to the heat press. Love how this sweater turned out. Now let's go on to the next sweater, which is this one. I'm debating whether I want to do like the green. There's like forest green with this design in gold, or if I just should keep it white. Decisions. This sweater is complete. Now let's go into the settings and create a, let's see, where do you go? Let's see if I remember this. Yeah, there it goes. Okay, so these are like presets, and I want to set the machine, to be ready for the rhinestone transfer heats. Some of them are already from like the company that they, like if you use theirs, they're on here already for you. So I'm just adding the name on that, and I think, okay, so it's right here. Okay, so it's already saved in the machine. Yay! As rhinestone transfer heat, as you can see right here, and then it's heating up to the temperature, and it says between, like I told you guys, if you look at the sheet, it says 20, like around 15 to 20 seconds, and we're gonna peel on cold, so we do need to let it cool down before we peel it off. So yeah, okay, we're still gonna do the same thing where we're gonna warm up the sweater a little bit, so let's do that for a couple seconds. Okay, so I peeled it off from the sheet, and it's pretty sticky, so it will stay in place once you put it on top of the sweater. So yeah, let me do that. So that is on there. Oh, it looks cute. Okay, hopefully it works. They did give me extra rhinestones, in case it, I guess it doesn't work or something. You could put them separately on there. But I'm gonna try my best though to get everything pressed on there evenly. So that's our goal, right? Okay, so like I said in the instructions, we're gonna let that cool down before we peel, and yeah, hopefully it worked, because they're really cute. I think these would be super fun for Halloween if you did any Halloween themed ones for some sweaters and t-shirts. But yeah, so let that cool down. It's pretty hot. Okay, I feel like we're good. Okay, so let's just slowly start. This turned out so good. Oh wow, okay, and nothing came off. Nice. Okay, so let me show you guys. This is my settings that I did. The pressure is like around 80, and the 20, I went with 20 seconds. Like I said, it said between 15 to 20. I always just go to the largest number. But in the instructions, better to be safe than sorry. So yeah, I don't think you need, what, let me go on their YouTube channel, but I don't think you have to press again, but let me double check. So yeah, they do have a YouTube channel if you guys want to subscribe to them. Love them. Their videos are so helpful in case you have questions.
There is our garment. This is our tutorial of custom rhinestones.
Okay, so yeah, so you don't press again.
Please check out our website.
Cool. Okay, so yeah, we don't have to press again. We are done with these. Now, when it comes to washing these sweaters with rhinestone, they say that you need to flip the sweater inside out, and before you toss it to the washer, let this, you know, I guess cool down for like 24 hours before you throw it in the washer. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, I'm pretty much done for today. I mostly just wanted to come here to finally try out these rhinestone heat transfers because I purchased these a while back. I think it was during the summertime, and I needed to, you know, test them out. So yeah, the last thing I need to do is just throw the sweater into the washer and dryer to see how well it keeps up, right? And hopefully none of the rhinestones fall off. And if they don't, I'm definitely gonna go back to that store and order more of these transfer sheets. So yeah, basically you send your artwork and they're going to design it in like rhinestone form. They'll send you like a mock-up, right? An example, and if you approve, then they make them for you. And yeah, so yeah, okay, I'll see you guys on the next video.